see, I see.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nisha. I am a full-time artist and welcome to another video. So, I made this painting a really long time ago and today I'm going to finally frame this because I really like looking at it. I was really proud of how it turned out. So, I'm just going to frame this now and talk about, well, dreams.
You can't stop feeling lonely, like if only, but for
Artists are dreamers, and not just any dreamers, the type who fully believe that they can build castles out of thin air, paint the Mona Lisa with just a roller brush, and somehow manage to become world-renowned artists while still being in their pajamas all day. Now that I'm a full-time artist, I cannot help but go back to that time when I wanted to be an artist and it felt like a dream that will never come true. Not because I didn't have faith in me or I didn't believe in myself, but because everyone and everything around me was telling me that it's just a pipe dream. And it's not their fault either, it's the world that we live in.
it's cutthroat here, but you're so strong.
दिल्ली में अच्छी खासी बारिश हो रही है. कल रात को भी it was raining all night. So I'll just enjoy the weather now and probably get back to my painting. I've been working on some commission pieces for a few days and I'm giving a few hours here and there on my works also.
I'll be there when you're cold. I'll never tell a lie. I'll be there when your heart breaks down. I won't ever be far, 'cause I'll be where you are.
So, one minute we are convinced that our latest painting will get millions of views or maybe start an art movement. And the next we are daydreaming about being that undiscovered genius who just needs to be found. You know, any day now. Right after we finish binge watching that show.
For me, I won't fade away like the last one and the last one before me. I can hide your fears, I can wipe your tears, I can hold your thumb down, darling. Tell you it's okay to focus on today. Don't forget a heart beats 2 times. I won't fade away like the last one and the last.
Just jumped off. I knew these places would taint on me, yet they remain among my cherished spots. From when
And hey, who can blame us? The artists have these totally achievable, not at all ridiculous dreams of maybe creating one masterpiece per month and still live off their art, have a comfortable life while still traveling the world. Like, no pressure. Let's be honest, our dreams can get a little out there.
Reminds me of the sunrise we once woke up to see. I see the leaves are falling, the wind is cold and
Every creative that we know was told by numerous people that they should be realistic and that they probably didn't have what it takes. Every single one. The books you read, the movies you watch, and the paintings you see in the museums were made by the people who didn't listen.
remember why again.
And that's what I'm doing right now. Right now, I'm just editing a video for my second channel. I have this passion and this dream of maybe someday becoming a filmmaker, sort of a YouTuber. I know, it's pretty out there, but I have this newfound passion for storytelling, and I've always been passionate about films. I have no prior experience in storytelling or cinematography, but I'm just learning on the go and I'm just going at it. Would you just call that a dream, or perhaps a delusion, or maybe I'm obsessive? I don't know. You decide.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry.
So today I'm going to experiment a little and paint some water lilies, but using a touch of impressionism. I feel like if I keep making the same kind of art over and over again for a long period of time, I get bored pretty quickly and I feel burnt out and I feel like there's a lack of creativity. So that's why I love experimenting with different styles, and whenever I try something I've never painted before, I always end up unlocking something new in my art journey.
'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you, for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew. We wrote down every old cliche, a four-letter word in 100 ways, and reality hit me in the face. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you, for falling for you.
I love going out early in the mornings. So today I wanted to check out some water lilies and get some inspiration, but Sundar Nursery was closed today. So I ended up here and wow, what a beautiful morning I had.
In the heart of Manhattan, where shadows play, a small gallery open to light the way. On Fifth Avenue, a dream took form, a rebel's haven in a world to transform.
You know what have I concluded? This is the beauty of being an artist. Sure, our dreams might be a little delusional, but that's what keeps it fun. It's like living in this constant state of almost famous, almost revolutionary, almost waking up before noon. And maybe the delusion isn't so much a downfall, but rather a tool. Something that propels us forward, igniting our passion even when the odds seem impossible.
Whispers of Europe's great voices were sung. Rodin's forms, Matisse's flair, Cézanne's hues found a refuge there. Picasso's lines, the Cubist view, all saw light where the new spirit grew. Not just a gallery, but a temple of art, where each creation spoke to the heart.
In the end, it's those unrealistic dreams that keep us serious about art, even if we are not so serious about everything else. And who knows, maybe one day one of those wild dreams will actually come true. Until then, we'll just keep imagining it. I still have some work to do before I call this painting complete. But I'm going to end this vlog here and go for some moon gazing and remind myself to keep dreaming the big dreams. I'll see you next week.
Dream of fantasy.